What's up guys, it's No Clue back at it on the No Clue 2 channel. As you can see, we got a little different setup today. Okay, we're in the same place now. Gotta wear the masks though for safety. We're here to react to Anne-Marie, KSI, and Digital Farm Animals Don't Play official music video.
KSI has definitely shown a lot of improvement from Lamborghini to Down Like That and his album. Sonically, I don't think I'd add any of his songs to my playlist. I think he's a good rapper, I think he's a good artist, his voice and stuff just isn't for me.
So we'll be breaking down the video here. That's no good.
Oh.
The beat's kinda lit.
Yeah, this is nice.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh.
Oh.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't.
Yeah, I'm assuming this is Anne-Marie. Judging by the name, I feel like Digital Farm Animals produced it.
Yeah, I don't know anyone named Digital Farm Animals that has vocals.
Yeah, but this is a nice hook and it blends seamlessly with the beat. So far she got bullets and now she's devoting her life to martial arts.
Ready to throw down like KSI did to Logan.
Don't play.
Oh, KSI's the coach, okay.
Don't play games with my heart. When the hidden is deep.
Oh, I think
Hey,
he's a
what
trainer,
was that?
but he sucks.
Maybe in
Man.
Wii boxing that would work.
Perhaps. I think that's what I used to do in Wii boxing at least.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun in the 360.
Whoa.
I helped you get a UAV. Still could never get you that AT. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck. With your body in check. Loving all the time with you.
Yo!
Hey, the flow is nice, bro.
This is like the best cadence I've heard from him. His voice sounds so good on this track.
Yeah, so laid back and then like just the beat being pretty bouncy.
Yeah.
It sounds, mainstream in a good way,
Now you just gone missing. You're wearing.
Look at that helmet, bro. That's actually kind of tight. Look at that guy. I never knew he existed. I want one of those, but it's a goose.
My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing side.
Oh,
look at that, dude.
Come here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
Don't play games, don't.
Not ready for us to rap, and then they're wrapping up the toilet paper? I see you.
I think she needs a new teacher.
I think so. He doesn't seem to. I don't know the lore here, but he's kind of not doing anything helpful.
Now the feels hit me differently.
That guitar is nice.
When the hidden is deep,
Oh, yeah.
don't play. Don't play. Don't play games, don't play games with my heart.
Oh, and the
Hey,
layered
the
vocals?
Now the feels hit me
The let's go on the helmet. Nice.
when the hidden is deep, don't
Oh,
Man!
Oh
No!
my God,
Don't do it!
She didn't have to do the boy farm animal like that though.
Yeah, that was a little messed up. I think this beat is very nice. It's fairly simple, but it works.
Yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you
Oh,
don't
whoa,
give
that
me
was
your
nice.
time,
Whoa.
then I ain't giving you mine.
I think she actually did that. Punch the tennis balls out of the air.
That'd be very good.
It's not that hard to punch a ball out of the air, but that many in a row is pretty difficult.
Whoa, what?
Hit the ball through the wall.
I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you just
Oh.
don't listen. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Come here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not
The harmonization with the verse, they're a good duo on this. I like KSI on this track.
I think in the past, KSI really wanted big names on this track, regardless of how it would sound. Like Rick Ross and Lil Baby on this track, it just didn't blend very well. But this, everyone fits so well on this track.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh,
No.
now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my
That's
heart.
it though.
Oh, yeah.
When the hidden is deep, don't play.
The choreography is a little weird, but obviously she's not a professional stunt person, so.
Oh,
Wow. That start. Oh, the fits. He didn't need to drip up for that, but he did. You know what I mean? Nobody can deny KSI's growth as an artist, I agree.
that's true. Yeah, especially, bro. He started with Lamborghini.
I don't
It's like
know
a
if I heard
funny.
that, but-
Really?
Man,
I gotta show you
can you
this.
play that real quick? Oh, I don't like this beat.
The walks on my wrist, that shit you can't resist. Cash
Oh my
flow
God.
harder than the haters
Calm
hating
down.
on bitches. Riding in your face, looking like I found a damn genie. Wildin' in my Lamborghini.
Chill out, bro. This is like.
Lamborghini.
Whoa!
You see me in my Lamborghini.
Oh my god, I didn't think you would do this. It goes a little hard, but like it's also kind of bad.
Yeah, it's like it goes hard in like a meme sort of way, you know?
Yeah.
It goes hard if you're in middle school. My friend, when I was in middle
So
school,
true, dude.
my friend in middle school was a big KSI fan. He loved this song. So I know all the lyrics.
Because of your friend.
Yeah, of course, I've never, you know.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider going to the YouTube channel, clicking that subscribe button. We got more like this and more to come. We also make music ourselves, so links in the description below to our Spotify and our music YouTube channel. Click that like button if you feel so inclined. I think it was based.
Very bass.
Very based. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye-bye.